This app's appears show you.
How to check your voicemail on iPhone. Go ahead and launch the phone app and select voicemail, and here you will get all of your voicemails. And if you want to check your own voicemail greeting, tap on greeting at the top right, and here you will get all of your created voicemail greetings. And now to hear any voicemail, just tap on play button.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
That's how you'll be able to check or hear your voicemail. If you want to set a custom voicemail here, then select custom. And now you have to record a custom voicemail greeting. To do that, tap on record button and start to record your greeting for voicemail. This is a test voicemail greeting. To stop recording, tap on stop. And now to check the recording, tap on play. This is a test voicemail greeting. Then tap on save to save changes. This is how we can check our voicemail on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.